Yesterday evening I realised I was stood there doing my puzzle, and I realised tomorrow's the 21st of December, and what you've been through, Colin, since the 21st of September, not many people could have done what you've done, and that without any resources. And now you're in a new country, new house. You've not even been here 14 days. Well, now today I've been here for 2 weeks. I've arrived 2 weeks ago today. And what I've done, I've got a new design. I've got new animals who are following me wherever I go. And I've been at it non-stop. And I've not fallen into any holes or anything. I just keep on going. And I'm one problem after the other. I'm solving it. I'm finding the solutions. And like I said, without any resources. I was thinking, it's time to celebrate yourself, Colin. So well done, Colin. Pat on your shoulder. There you go. And now, imagine what's got to come, Colin. Imagine if you got resources. and mate, you're unstoppable. Keep on going. Chew, fucking chew. Ha, you do what you do, and you do it with style. Well done, Colin. I'm telling that myself right now. Thank you.